recording. Today I'm going to be doing a video on me trying to put some highlights in my hair with a brush. I've seen somebody do it with a toothbrush before and a regular brush. Brush my tangles out. All right, everyone, so as you can see, I'm just hopping right into it. I'm going to go ahead and start off by mixing my bleach in the developer and just get it to the right consistency. And I started to try to use the brush that I got, but it just went straight to the bottom of the brush head. So I was a little skeptical about applying just a blob in my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do the toothbrush method. And this method I've actually done before a long time ago when I did like ombre to my ends before. So I'm going to try to do like frosted streaks, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to get my ends bleached just so they could try to come out a little bit lighter. And you really don't even have to use a toothbrush if you don't want to. You could use your regular hair dyeing brush to brush on the bleach. This is just what works for me. And I actually really like it because I feel like with the bristles, it gives you more of like a natural brush on effect. So I did kind of start out like I was doing highlights, and then I just kind of ended up putting the bleach on the majority of my hair except near the roots. So yeah, but I did also do a keratin treatment in between bleaching, just to try to help prevent as much damage as possible. So I did the keratin treatment twice while waiting to do the second round of bleaching, and then I'll leave this on for 30 minutes and wash out. And also, this bleach is supposed to be fragrant free, and it doesn't smell at all, really. I did notice, like, once the bleach has been sitting in my hair for a long time, I did started to notice a little bit of a smell, but it's not your typical strong bleach smell. It's not like the normal Quick Blue, the Wella brand. So I definitely recommend this bleach. Hot. Alrighty, loves. This is what we're looking like. We got 5 more minutes. Oh, I got the bed head for the brassiness. Smells good. This is my hair after bleaching it twice with a toothbrush. And my hair doesn't feel dry. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it feels dry, but it doesn't feel like hay. Sorry, my man's playing a game. Hey, bro, you hit that little move, bro. It doesn't feel like hay. It doesn't feel like slime. I tried to make the ends a little lighter. Like I tried to put the bleach on it first. It's cute. I've been using the Bed Head toning shampoo, Highly recommend. It smells really good, if I didn't say that already. Normally use the purple shimmer lights, but wanted to try something different. My mouth is dry. And this bleach, I got off Walmart website. Good bleach. Highly recommend this bleach. This is the Premium Lightning Powder, Blonde Forte, Blonde and Protect, fragrance free, blue powder. What? Oh my God. I'm missing deal goals, man. And yeah, it says that it lifts up to 8 levels without damaging the hair with amino acids. So yeah, this is a really good bleach. I think I paid like maybe $25 for it. I actually curl my hair with a little small curling iron. I used to have really curly hair, but growing up like as a teenager, you know, in like those middle school days when people were ironing their hair and trying to flat iron it, I damaged it a lot, especially with dyeing it. I never really gave my hair a chance to get back. So yeah. Um, you know, I think I'm going to bleach it one more time. So yeah, this is, you know, a picture in the light. Yeah. So much for watching, checking out my hair video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time.